R-Square is an innovative IT solutions company. We focus on unique products which is not in the market. So normally in the market, many of the companies are still writing their checks in hands. So targeting that, we made a unique software for not only printing the checks and also storing all of the informations. Like you can take reports, multiple checks you will be able to print. So we targeted all the organizations, not only one sector. It can be either a big organization or a middle level, it can be a health center or it can be educational institution. Reason for starting R-Square is to make all the organizations to have professional outlook, because normally when we write our checks in hands, the efficiency of the workers will be going down, because most of the time they will be writing and there might be some errors, and it will be very time consuming also. To avoid the time, to make the productivity more and make the use of the team members in the organization work very efficiently, we thought of making the softwares in R-Square. By implementing our product, normally all our clients feel very relaxed and they feel very happy. Always they thank them because most of their manual works has been taken away because of our products. The growth of the company is really very rapid, because we started R-Square in 2010. Within this 3 years, we have reached more than 300 clients. Not only in Bahrain, we are already stepping into the other countries in Middle East, especially in Qatar. Customers always, they feel very happy whenever they speak to me about the product, mainly because it is error free, because most of the companies are running with lots of checks. So no time we have received any complaint by saying the check printing software or form printing software is not working. One thing is error free. Another thing, it is increasing their efficiency, because during the form printing, if it is a shipping form, the shipment is going very quickly, so the business is growing. So in that way, all the clients feel very happy because of the efficiency created due to R-Square products. So as a message, we would like to say we are service providers where we are creating innovative IT solutions. So we want to bring many challenging innovative ideas and brilliant minds together to create a very innovative idea which can serve many industries in the market.